Hi, this is Samantha Gilbert with the Funding Lab. I'm here with Marcus Roman with
AI Power Credit Consultants.
AI Power Credit Consultants. He is our partner for credit repair. So for any of my buyers that are having a little bit of issues with their credit and it's keeping them from getting great interest rates or great home loans, this is where we send them.
That's right.
Marcus, why don't you tell our clients a little bit about yourself and how you came to doing this?
Yes, ma'am. So I started out like about a year ago, like fixing my own credit, fixing my family's credit and things like that too. And I found out that I had a knack for it. I used the Fair Credit Reporting Act and consumer law to get things off your credit permanently. I don't do any of the credit suite for the FTC reports or anything like that. I can get off bankruptcies, I can get off child support, student loans, collections, pretty much anything off your credit in a 90-day period. If you want to get a better interest rate, get a loan through her, call me.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Marcus. And leave the credit to him to fix, and then we can do the loan for you. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
We don't go for the easy loan, we find the right loan for you. The Funding Lab.